Hey, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So we have a lot of promotions from different companies, and I want to make sure that you were aware of them, especially because July 4th is right around the corner. So these sales aren't going to be around forever. And on top of that, lots of you have subscribed to this channel specifically for this content. So let's jump right in. First, we have Apex Trader Funding. The deal is going to be 90% off the first month and then 80% off lifetime until you either pass or cancel the evaluation subscription. This deal is going to end on July 6th, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now with Apex, it's great because you have the option for a bi-weekly payout, so the withdrawal amount is pretty awesome. And so with this deal, if you wanted to stack up on a few accounts, you can have up to a max of 20 performance accounts. So there's that if you're interested. The next company we have is Bulenox. Now with Bulenox, they have two different types of accounts. They have option 1 and option 2. For the first sale here, we have it for the option 2, 25K, 50K, and 100K accounts. It is 70% off lifetime, and that's crazy because with the option 2 accounts, it's going to be the end of day drawdown. So instead of, the account following intraday your unrealized profit, this is going to be at the end of the trading day, so you don't have to worry about it following intraday. You just have to worry about your daily loss limit and then the scaling portion of this account. So that's awesome. This is going to end on June 30th, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then we have their second promotion, which is going to be the 90% off the option 1 accounts. Option 1 is every single account, 25 all the way to the 250K, and this is lifetime, so this is going to end on July 6th. The option 1 account is going to be the intraday trailing drawdown, which is basically the account following the unrealized profit. So you have two different accounts you wanted to check out. This is definitely a great place. And with Bulenox, I just recently did a challenge on my YouTube channel about it, and I really like Bulenox. There's really nothing to complain about. The next company we have is Leeloo. Now my standard discount is 30% off lifetime, all of the accounts with my code Jess. But right now Leeloo is announcing a really crazy like half year Christmas sale kind of thing. And they're going to be having it for the rest of the week. So if we move on here to the next slide, you'll see that we'll have 6 days of half Christmas sales. So pretty much June 25th, today until June 30th, there's going to be a new sale every single day. So it's really exciting because with these deals, you don't really know what to expect, but they did release their first one earlier today, and it is going to expire tomorrow, so let's jump into it. And it's going to be the 25K weekly account. Now, the weekly accounts are just a big account like that lots of people just want to buy because of the payout structure and just how well put together it is. So with the 25 weekly account, it's 85% off the first month, and if you use my code Jess, you'll be able to secure that deal, and it is going to end tomorrow on June 26th at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And for my fellow traders in PST, that's going to be 1 p.m. So definitely a really good steal because lots of people have been requesting for it and asking for the weekly accounts to be on sale. So hopefully this is something that you're interested in and you've been asking for, but here it is. Using my code Jess, you'll be able to snag up this deal. And then next we do have Topstep. So right now Topstep hasn't announced any July 4 sales, but they typically have done that every single year, and they have been speaking about some crazy things behind the scenes. CEO Michael Patak had a recent interview talking about some really crazy announcements and deals coming within the next few weeks and next few months. And specifically, he said before or even during July 4 is when things will be announced. So as of right now, we have 20% off with my link in the description. But if you wanted to wait off and hold to see if there is another bigger promotion at July 4, I would definitely do that, because who knows, we might get a 30 or even a 40% off and even further announcements about their program. So stay tuned for that. And then lastly, we do have Elite Trader Funding. So same thing with Elite Trader Funding. There hasn't been any true announcement about a July 4 promotion, but they have typically done some promotions in the past, and they have recently started to do an Elite Trader Funding timeline where they have been dropping really crazy bombs left and right about updates with the entire company as well as the policies for the traders. So as of right now, all I have is the 50% off the 100K eval account. You can either scan the QR code or you can enter that code into your checkout box for your first 100K eval, save some money there. But if you wanted to wait till July 4 or even pretty much the next couple of weeks, Elite Trader Funding has been, like I said, just dropping new releases and new deals just randomly like flash sales, and you can make sure you snag up an account during that time. But those are all of the deals going on right now. I'm going to slowly go ahead and backtrack so you guys can see each one again. But that's going to be everything that I wanted to cover for today. And I do hope that this video was helpful with giving you some updates and some insight about what is happening with these different companies. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the description below or in the comment section below. But I do appreciate your time and support. And as always, I wish you nothing but the best and most success in your trading journey. And I'll see you all in the next video.